Welcome to the VertexFX Client Terminal, a powerful and user-friendly trading platform designed for Forex and CFD trading. Let's take a closer look at its key features and functionalities. The VertexFX Client Terminal offers a comprehensive range of tools and options to help you execute trades efficiently and analyze market trends effectively. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Home tab, where you can access various essential functions. The Home tab provides quick access to features such as one-click trading, placing entry orders, generating account statements, sending messages, and adjusting settings. The one-click trading feature allows you to execute trades instantly with a single click, providing a seamless and efficient trading experience. If you prefer to place entry orders, you can easily do so by specifying the order type and price level through the dedicated entry order window. To customize your trading experience, you can access the Options window to adjust general settings, sounds, pop-up messages, view options, and language preferences. In addition to the Home tab, the VertexFX Client Terminal offers various other panels and tools to enhance your trading experience. The Chart panel provides a feature-rich environment for analyzing market trends, adding indicators, drawing objects, and performing technical analysis. The Tick Chart panel offers a unique perspective by displaying charts based on ticks instead of time periods, providing a detailed view of price movements. The Market Watch panel allows you to monitor and interact with various symbols, while the Navigator panel helps you manage favorites, accounts or groups of accounts, indicators, and VTL scripts. With its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and advanced trading capabilities, the VertexFX Client Terminal empowers traders and helps them execute trades with ease.